In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is go into an app called Theme Store by clicking on it and tapping on Home or Category at the bottom to select font sections at the top and find the best one for you. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. After finding a perfect font, just click on it and tap on Apply button at the bottom, or if you decided to purchase one, buy it over here, and then when it's ready, hit Apply as well. So when I go back, I can see that my font style has changed. If you don't want to download any, you can also go into Settings, scroll to tap on Display and Brightness, and then scroll again to hit Font. Now check out all of those, and when you find the perfect one, hit Apply button to get it. Last but not least, if you wanna find all of your downloaded fonts and your default one, go into Theme Store again, tap on Me section at the bottom right corner, and choose My Resources. Then tap on Fonts right next to Themes and find all of your downloaded ones and also your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!